Ever wished your WordPress navigation looked as organized and sleek as a well-designed magazine spread? Today, we're diving into creating column-wise drop-down menus for a truly elevated user experience. First things first, we need to access your WordPress menu settings. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, and in the left-hand sidebar, click on Appearance. Then select Menus. Here, you'll either select an existing menu you want to modify, or, if you don't have one yet, you can create a new menu by clicking the Create a New Menu link. The core of creating a dropdown is indentation to make a menu item a sub-item of another. Simply drag it slightly to the right. Underneath the parent item, this visually shows a hierarchical relationship. Now, to achieve that column-like structure, we need a little extra control. Look for the Screen Options tab at the very top right of your screen, and click it. Make sure the CSS Classes box is checked. With CSS Classes enabled, you'll now see a CSS Classes, optional, field when you expand any of your menu items. This is where the magic happens. To make your dropdown display in columns, you'll typically use specific CSS classes. These classes tell your theme or a plugin how to arrange the submenu items. Common classes might include things like multi-column, column 2, or similar, depending on your theme's support or the plugin you're using. If your theme doesn't natively support advanced menu styling, the easiest route is often a well-regarded WordPress plugin search for drop-down menu. In the plugin repository, look for plugins that specifically mention column dropdowns, mega menus, or advanced styling options. Install and activate your chosen plugin. Once installed, most plugins will add their own options to your menu settings or a dedicated menu management area. You'll typically find interfaces where you can select a menu item and then specify how many columns its dropdown should display. Experiment with different column layouts and content placement within your dropdowns to create a navigation that's both beautiful and incredibly functional for your website visitors. This simple change can significantly improve site usability and professional appeal.